Kubeflow is an open source tool that helps you run machine learning projects on Kubernetes. Google started it, and it's now used by many companies. But is it actually worth your time? Let's find out. Kubeflow basically is a toolkit for building and managing machine learning workflows. Think of it as a complete system that handles everything, from training your models to putting them into production. It runs on Kubernetes, which means it can work on any cloud or even on your own servers. The main piece is Kubeflow pipelines. This lets you build workflows where each step runs in its own container. You also get Jupyter notebooks for testing ideas, tools for training models at scale, and ways to serve your models to users. Everything works together through one dashboard. The biggest win is scalability. If you're already using Kubernetes, Kubeflow fits right in. You can run huge training jobs with multiple GPUs, and it handles the hard parts automatically. The pipeline system is solid, each step is separate, so debugging is easier, plus it's free and open source. Here's the catch. Kubeflow is complicated, you need to know Kubernetes well, and setup is not simple. The docs are scattered and hard to follow. Many teams say it feels buggy and takes a lot of effort to maintain. If you don't have a dedicated platform team, you'll struggle. The software itself is free, but running it costs money. You'll pay for cloud servers, storage, and GPUs. Managed options exist like Civo, starting at $270 per month. Know what you're getting into before you commit. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.